What's up, guys? So today we're doing unboxing of our Drift Red Bull
Reboot
car.
cars, yeah.
124 scale.
Audi
124
was 2.4
2.4 gigahertz.
yeah.
This is powerful.
Alright, different type of controller.
Oh, so what is this? This is the what's this mean? Or on the other side? Or
What is that? Does that help with drift?
yeah,
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe it's to help with drift and
Oh, there's a low and left and right. So maybe.
oh, left and right, yeah.
Yeah.
Counter steer maybe.
And there's a screw in here, man. What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to fly our cheap helicopter, but still my body here, my body is so good.
I'm sorry, Wilbur.
Oh man, you're so good, man. See guys, this is our things here. Shit.
Yeah, we wanted to see if we could fly around the kitchen for
Only,
20 bucks.
only $20 in the kitchen, man. But see,
Oh,
whoa,
thanks for
Mike is so good in this fire rescue team. Shit, I forgot the video.
yeah, that's alright.
Look, man,
That's a good run for
so
20.
good for 19
Yeah,
bucks,
$19, lots of fun.
Yeah, and then we still have our drift car here.
Yeah, we're gonna do the drift car in the kitchen. That's gonna be real fun.
Look, oh man, you're so good, man.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that's trouble. Yeah.
You're so good here, Mike.
Oh man, this is good fun.
Oh my goodness. Thanks, bro.
Oh, awesome, man.
I can put it in my YouTube channel, bro. Can make it 1,000 subscribers. Please
Yeah.
like and subscribe to my channel.
Woo.
RC Gear NZ. So man, shit. How good it is.
Yeah.
So you got 2 minutes, 3 minutes, almost 3 minutes of flight time.
Oh, let's have it there.